Welcome back, plant lovers! Who doesn't know the spider plant? My personal favorite for its elegant foliage and air purifying qualities. If you're aiming to boost its lushness for a more stunning display, you're in the right place. I'll dive into the best methods to make your spider plant bushier and more vibrant. Let's get started. Choosing the right pot. The pot size matters. A slightly snug fit, just one size larger than the root ball, encourages root growth, which in turn leads to a denser foliage. This is a simple yet effective step towards a bushier plant. Proper pruning techniques. Pruning isn't just about cutting back, it's a strategic move. Remove older and discolored leaves close to the base to redirect the plant's energy towards new, vibrant growth. Divide and plant new ones together. Spider plants naturally produce baby plants, or spiderettes. Once these have a few leaves and roots, gently transplant them. Whether in the same or separate pots, this trick creates a fuller look. Regular feeding. During spring and summer, feed your spider plant with a half-strength balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks. This ensures robust growth and contributing to the bushiness. Control light exposure. Spider plants love moderate indirect light. A bit more light than usual, but not direct sun, can encourage branching. Gradually introduce them to these brighter conditions. Experiment with music therapy. Sound therapy for plants? It's worth a try. Play calming music like jazz or symphony for about 2 to 3 hours during the day. Epsom salt boost. Once a month, dissolve a little Epsom salt in water and use it for watering. Magnesium adds in photosynthesis and overall health, possibly leading to a bushier plant. Practice root pruning. Every couple of years, take your spider plant out of its pot and gently prune the roots. This stimulates new root growth and encourages foliage expansion. Turning your spider plant into a bushy showstopper takes a mix of care, technique, and patience. By following these tips, you can transform it into a vibrant centerpiece for your indoor garden. For more green thumb guides and gardening inspiration, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Happy gardening and see you next time!